Yo, what's up guys? Magre-reaction video na naman tayo. Ang title nga pala ng papanoorin nating trailer, I Don't Move. Yun, ito yung official trailer nila guys. Tara, samahan nyo ako.
Beautiful morning out there. We're gonna kick it off with a little I Think We're Alone now.
Children behave. That's what they say.
This is your last chance with me. No mistakes. This time, God's on my side. Megan.
So glad you could be joining us.
With all you went through, you could use some fresh air.
Ma'am, what is it, Ethan? I'm Connor. And
Grabe
these are my
naman yan.
grandparents.
You want to come on the church camping trip? Absolutely.
Hey, you don't have to worry about finding peace and quiet.
My
Ano
grandparents.
yun?
You want to come on the church camping trip? Absolutely.
So yun, based on the best-selling horror novel. Novela.
Hey, you don't have to worry about finding peace and quiet, because there is plenty of that in Davies Canyon.
Yeah, is it one of your go-to spots?
No, I've never been there. Keep your eyes peeled for our turnoff. I definitely don't want to miss it.
5, 4.
I don't want to fall behind.
We'll be fine.
I always bring a whistle with me when you hear 3 short blasts like this.
That means drop what you're doing.
And come join me.
The first rule of camping is you never hike alone. You want to start shooting straight with me or what?
Uy!
Is there any chance that somebody followed you out? Give
It is not a someone, it is a something.
He's in trouble now.
Anyone else
Grabe
concerned
naman
they're not back yet?
Are you sure you're in Davies Canyon?
You know I gotta at least try, right?
I know you do.
Alien na naman to guys.
See you on the other side.
Uy! Spider! Spider siya guys. Gagamba. Kasi may mga, nakita ko agad yung sapot. So yun guys, ang title nga pala ulit, I Don't Move. Papalabas siya ng September 11 yun. September 11 guys siya ipapalabas. Yun guys. Yun, napanood nyo nga naman yung trailer guys. Nag-camping sila guys. Di natin alam kung saan sila nag-camping. Malas no, nag-camping kayo, tapos ganun pa nangyari. So yun guys, abangan nyo yan, September 11. So yun guys, salamat nga pa sa panonood. Yun, pa-follow nga pala ako ng TikTok natin dyan, nandiyan sa screen natin. Makikita nyo dyan si Kuya Jose TV. Yan. Kung dyan sa basket, tingin kayo dyan. Marami kayong mapipilian na gamit o gusto nyong bilhin guys. Yan. O napupusuan yung bilhin. So yun guys, ito yung natin, YouTube channel natin. Pa-subscribe na naman ako. Pa-open ang notification bell para updated kayo sa next video natin. At pa-follow nga pala ako ng Facebook page natin yan, si Kuya Jose TV, yun. Yan. Diyan sa screen, lahat ng mga pinopromote nating page. TikTok. Yan. So, yun guys, salamat sa panonood. At sa muli. Peace out.